more and more and more traffics. V8 Scania. This is beautiful. I wish to have V8, not this one. Cheap basic Scania. Oh my god, on GPS showing 30 minutes delays. So yeah, I just arrived to my shop, but there is a milkman, so I have to wait a little bit for now. Welcome to Bolton. So we got just only 8 kgs to do. Should be easy peasy. Yeah, who doesn't like Manchester? It's quite nice city. Oh baby, watch your baby. Oh, police. Police. One police, another police, third police just in the front. Ooh, what a good man. Thank you. What is on the radio? Ow. Not impressed, not impressed. Where is my green lights? I like just green lights. Come on. Ooh, 14 degrees. What is he doing? What is he doing? He's trying to spin around. Nobody let him do this. Why people are so bad? Oh, Jesus, nobody wants him. What are you doing, mister? Just try to be good. And that man just taking me over. Heating my ass now. It's too hot. I can't handle 14 degrees. Oh no, it's dropped. Now it's 12. 11. Yeah, so just arrived to my last shop, but someone has left the car over there, so can reverse. Yeah, so just arrived. And literally I need just to reverse in this yard, but someone just left car over there. Nobody knows whom belongs this car, so we're just waiting now until someone's come back. to here. Yeah, sometimes better to step out to double check where is your bag than to cry later. Little bit back and should be get past this one then. Oh. Oh, such a nice place, is it? I like it. So we all deserve it. Little break, break, break.